Stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra has courted controversy with his latest video in which he allegedly used defamatory words against Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. While based on a complaint made by Shiv Sena MLA, an FIR was registered against Kunal Kamra. Shiv Sena party workers were also booked for vandalizing the venue where the comedian had filmed his video. All right, I'm being told that my colleague Radhika is also now joining us on the broadcast. She is getting us more details about the kind of action that is being taken in this regard. Well, Radhika, what more can you tell us? We understand an FIR has also been filed and 11 Shiv Sena MLAs were also taken into custody.
That's right. BMC has started demolition. Some parts of the structure is being demolished at this point by BMC officials. I am at Unicontinental Hotel in Khar, where the studio habitat is. It is on the first floor, and we can hear the demolition happening. It is happening inside. On the behind portion is where the demolition is taking place. We can hear the sounds of the structure, some part of the structure being demolished at this point. So, we can see BMC officials in action. Looks like there have been some portions that are illegally constructed at this point. And also what we are hearing is that multiple times there have been complaints registered, in terms of the construction here, which is in violation of rules, is something that some of the officials did tell us. We'll try and get in a word from BMC officials here. They're trying to give us a media bite, but at this point, on what grounds is the action being taken is something that we're trying to understand, but no word from the BMC officials yet. But what we can confirm at this point is that at least about 4 to 5 senior officials of the BMC, including some of the workers of the BMC, were inside the spot with the hammers, trying, in fact, demolishing some part of the structure. This is the Unicontinental Hotel in Khar, where the Habitat studio is. In fact, this incident of this show, in fact, happened in February. Sometime in February is when Kunal Kamra had held his show, whereby he had made these comments. However, the video was out just yesterday. This is a very popular place, the Habitat, which is where we see a lot of stand-up comedies.
But also,
taking place.
Radhika, you've been telling us earlier that there have been complaints in the past also, after which we believe that BMC is now taking this action. Any action that was taken earlier as well? Any information about that?
Well, no action has been taken earlier is what we are being given to understand, but multiple complaints had gone to BMC as far as the permission of the structure is concerned. We believe that some extensions had taken place, illegal extensions had taken place as far as this studio and this hotel is concerned. And now, given what has happened, given that this place is in the limelight, now the BMC really taking action. 5 to 6 officials were here trying to examine what the irregularities were in terms of construction. Looks like they did find some of the portions really, against the rules, which is why now demolition has taken place. We can see several police officials also at the spot manning this place. Habitat was shut this morning. There was a statement given out by the organizers, the event organizers, stating that they were merely a platform. They are a platform to encourage artists, stand-up comedians, as well as other performers, and that's what they've been doing. And what the content was, as far as Kunal Kamra is concerned, is not in their purview, and they are not responsible for the content given out by any of the performers. So why is it that they are being targeted? Why is it that they are being held responsible or accountable is a question that is being raised by the event organizers.
Radhika, any information about where is Kunal Kamra?
That is going on, the action being taken by the BMC.
Okay. Radhika, any information about where is Kunal Kamra? We understand the government has said, the Chief Minister himself making a statement about this issue, saying that Kunal Kamra needs to come out and apologize for the derogatory remark that he's made against Eknath Shinde, calling the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra a traitor during his show. Where is Kunal Kamra, and any information about his whereabouts? The police even knows where is he?
Absolutely, this has turned into a huge, snowballed into a huge political controversy, no doubt. Chief Minister wading in, and as expected. Well, as to your question, where Kunal Kamra is, nobody knows. We are hearing that he has flown to Tamil Nadu. Again, we don't have any confirmation on this. Police officials continue to maintain that they are not able to get in touch with Kunal Kamra soon after the incident. In fact, soon after he released that video, looks like he's left from the city, or perhaps he had left the city before. Because remember, as I said, this entire episode was shot in this particular place a month ago, and it was just yesterday that the video was released, after which of course it went viral and then it became this huge controversy. Yes, Eknath Shinde hasn't spoken yet. Devendra Fadnavis, Chief Minister of Maharashtra, completely condemning the statement made by Kamra, saying that just because you're a stand-up comedian doesn't mean that you have the rights to insult somebody who holds an important constitutional position. Therefore, all necessary action will be taken against Kamra and event organizers, and he must apologize, is the demand not just by Chief Minister of Maharashtra but also from every member of Shiv Sena, who at this point is protesting at different places in the state of Maharashtra, seeking apology, seeking action, and at the same time also issuing threats to Kunal Kamra, which is perhaps the reason why he's right now in hiding.
Okay, we understand Uddhav Thackeray also has made a statement saying that he is back, Kunal Kamra, saying that the comedian has spoken the truth. We can't infringe on somebody's expression, making it a freedom of expression issue here, while the government clearly says that he's made derogatory statements for the deputy chief minister of this state. The opposition clearly making the most of it, Radhika, with Uddhav Thackeray now saying that what Kunal Kamra has said needed to be said. He's only said the truth.
That's right. Comedy has to be taken the way it is, and it has to be taken lightly. It is humor that we are talking about. In the name of humor, how can you take law into your own hands? A law and order situation is declining as a result of something like this, which is unacceptable, is what the opposition is saying. They continue to maintain that, what Kunal Kamra said is nothing but facts. Sanjay Raut did maintain his position as well yesterday, saying that, Eknath Shinde was a traitor, and that is something that Kunal Kamra said in his comedy. Even something that is being reiterated by Uddhav Thackeray as well, that we're talking about freedom of speech and expression. We're talking about stand-up comedy. How can a society be intolerant? How can political parties be intolerant to comedy is the kind of question being raised. Of course, this is what the opposition will say, considering Kunal Kamra had spoken against the Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, with whom Uddhav Thackeray and his team, have axe to grind. So therefore, at this point, a lot of sharp reactions coming in from leaders of the ruling dispensation as well as opposition, and it certainly has snowballed into a huge controversy. Remains to be seen if Kamra will be taken into custody.
Thank you so much, Radhika, for getting us all those details there. We'll come back to you later.